I feel like a little birdie, just winging it. So, yeah, I just posted that other video, and I'm just gonna keep on going with it. I know I'm making some mistakes along the way, and that's okay. That's how I learn. That's how I progress, and I'm comfortable with that after doing things kind of the same way for so long. But we're gonna try to find success here, regardless. These glasses were given to me by a cool dude named Marcel Posiot. I hope I pronounced your name right. These are Beyond Code. Hopefully that zoomed in there. Sunglasses, which is really cool because I actually just lost. I had like 3 pairs of sunglasses and lost them all this summer. So thanks, Marcel, for these, and see if you guys can get yourself some. They're great. We're gonna work on. Well, we can take a sneak peek again real quick to see the current state of the application. I think for the most part, I've got the UI pretty well where I want it to be. We've pulled in all those other data points from the feed, and they're being displayed now. It's kind of interesting with this warning. Oh yeah, not a concern. And yeah, I think it's looking pretty good here. So we've got the application. If we click things, it's now opening inside of the default browser. We've got the image. We've got the name of the company, the title, the job type, the salary if it applies. We have tags, and things are looking pretty good. I'll come back and fix that up a little bit. Like I said, I just stopped the other video, and yeah, so probably should have like a view more here, and maybe that takes you just to Larajobs, but we'll work on that. What I want to work on though is notifications, ideally. I was having some issues with those, and I don't know how I'm going to solve that yet, but also the scheduled events. So I know that it's working. I can log things out. What I'd like to do is like get the UI to respond based on an event. So we're gonna look at this, and I just kind of got an idea for like maybe we should start with the just get a notification to fire. I think that might be ideal. I think that might be the thing that we start with at least. Again, let me go back into, I guess it's x.com now, and check out Marcel, and go back to that post, that Christopher guy, which I gotta mention you on that because that really did help me a ton. But let's find this tweet and the response. We can get back to that code real quick. That's right here somewhere. Here we go. And then load more. And check this out. So he's using notifications. Fix with notifications. Inside of the console command. And if you look down here, he's got this new notification. Oh, he's just using the class instead of the facade. Why pass the client through? I don't know. Let's try it though. So let's just create a button here inside of the feed. Let's just have a button that will send off a notification. So wire click equals notify. And let's go, and do I already have this here? I do. So let's get rid of this code. Let's do this. So he's using just the notification, and then for client, he is using native client. Don't know anything about this. I didn't see it in the docs either, so it's kind of interesting. So we're gonna say hello, and the message is hello world. If we can get that to work, that would be wonderful. All right, so let's check out the UI. we have this notify button, and oh, it worked. Cool. All right, so may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. So that's great. So let's allow notifications, and let's try it again. Did I turn them off? What? Oh man, where did it go? Maybe I do have this turned off. The so let me see if I can disable my do not disturb. Maybe that's why. Well, we can check that we can check the logs that I was referring to before and see if there's something that's happening here. Where is that? Native PHP storage logs log. Okay. All right, that's cool. It's showing those things, but that's not. Let's delete this. Is that gonna kill it? Okay, so it did work. I'm not sure what's going on now, but let's see. In fact, I'm not even familiar necessarily with how Mac notifications, application notifications. So we have this Electron notification, banners, alerts. Banners appear and then go away. Let's try this alert. Show notifications on the lock screen. Show notification center, which I don't know where that is. Like I said, I'm a noob. Play sound for notification. Badge application icon. Yeah. So there must be some place we can set all that stuff too. But notification grouping is automatic. But where would it be? Where would it be? Oh, take a look at that. So you guys don't need to see all this stuff, but anyway, should have done that before. But it looks like we've got it, you guys. We've got this working now. So I'm not sure why it didn't just pop up for me. Why I have two apps running, but there it is. Cool. So that's great. Let's see if we can get that to work from the command, right? So let's stop this. Let's go to, I've got a command. I'm sorry, I've got an event. So let's make a command, make command. Trying to think if I want to create the event, and the event just fires it off. I think that's what we want to do, but we need to schedule that to look first. So let's make a command that check feed for update command. Okay, and right now all this is going to do is this. Okay, that's all good. Yeah, it'd be nice if we could specify like the icon and stuff like that. Doesn't look like it's built in yet. So, so we have the title, and that's going to be like larajobs.com. A new job has been posted. Okay, and let's just get this to fire like every 5 seconds, and we'll just run it not for too long, but let's just see this work. So we'll go here, we'll go to the kernel, and we're going to update this. And let's change this namespace to Larajobs. And let's serve, and let's see this work. So technically I shouldn't have to do anything, and we should just start to see things pop up. Does it have to be booted once first, maybe? We also can check to see if it's logging anything. Alright, so it looks like we might have an error someplace. Definitely. So let me stop the app. And let's take a look here. Does it show here at all? Nope. Alright, so what is this error? Yeah, it fired a lot. So let's just start at the top. Okay, Vite we need, right? But that's not the error. That's not even stop, so that's not npm run build, that doesn't matter. Yeah, interesting. So let's do this. Let's surround this with try, catch, and I don't even know what kind of exception, but we'll just do like just any exception, E, and then we'll just log that out. And then we can also just say logger trying notification. Okay. Let's also delete that. It should spawn up again here. Okay, there it is. Now it doesn't seem to be running, which is strange. Strange. I'm gonna change this back to app. We also can we can call the command ourselves. We also could just we could fire this from an event. Maybe we should try that. No. The scheduler should we can fire the event. So let's try this. Stop this, and let's dispatch. New check feed for updates command. we want the event check feed for updates. That's the event. Yeah, I mean, really it should be in a listener too, right? So, but let's give this a shot. Yeah, absolutely it should be in the listener. So let me, I won't bore you with creating the listener. Sorry to interrupt. But I wasn't really figuring out things back when I was recording everything you were just watching. I did learn some stuff, and I think that you can learn some stuff by watching everything that I had there. So I didn't want to just get rid of it altogether. But I spent the last several hours really kind of bashing my head against this, and no one wants to watch 5 or 6 hours of me not figuring things out. So I have an application. It is working the way that I would think that it should work. There are some issues still with the build process, and that's something that I hope to talk to Marcel about yet tomorrow. And also, I mean, if I can get it to build, I don't think anybody's been able to get this to build. So as far as the bounty goes, I don't think Larajobs is going to have an actual native PHP application on their desk by 9 a.m. tomorrow. But I'm going to make another video, a part 6, showing how things are kind of working instead of me just fumbling around for a little bit. I do believe I have the application running. Notifications don't show when I'm doing a screencast, so I should have some here, and I do because I have the app running now. And I think if, fingers crossed, if I click on this, it should open up the MenuBar application, which is what I was really trying to do. I have a scheduled command running in the background. It's looking at some data, comparing some things, and if whatever is truthy, then we're gonna show a notification to the user. When they click that, the MenuBar application opens up, and that's what I really was going for and looking to do. So stick with me for the next video where I show you how that's all glued together, and let's get this thing cracking. See you then.